Mistakes you always do on hamster Kombat that you should stop doing, otherwise they will make you delay in getting more coins. First, log into your hamster on Telegram, go directly to their homepage. It's like this. By the way, hamster is about to launch, so if you're not participating, what I'm doing, anyways, not clicking these coins. You must come here each and every an hour. After every 1 hour, come here and claim these coins always. Okay, just like this. That is number one mistake you always do. Second mistake is not inviting your friends. Inviting your friends will add more coins to you. It will add more and more coins. Just like you see, I get coins just by inviting friends. Okay, yes. And another mistake you're not doing is not copying this link, posting it on your WhatsApp status, posting it everywhere, posting it on your Facebook, so that anyone clicks on that link, they get invited on Hamster Kombat. Another mistake you are doing is not playing these combo cards. Combo cards will get you 5 million coins every day. So I want to share with you today's first combo card, and it's the top 10 CMC pairs. Click on that, and yes, your first combo card is ready for today. Anyways, I'll come back with more cards. Keep subscribed to my channel, so I'll probably drop another video after this one immediately. So I show you the second and third combo cards. Anyways, yeah, another mistake you are doing is not playing, is not claiming these cards. These cards are going to make you money. Okay, these cards are making you profits per hour. So you stock a lot of coins on your Hamster Kombat without buying these cards. Buying these cards is going to make you more profits, more money. The more you buy these cards, the more combo cards load. So when you play those combo cards, you are getting millions and millions of coins. So keep playing these combo cards just like the way you see me doing, and you will get combo cards. Okay, you get millions and millions of coins. Another mistake you are doing is not getting the daily rewards. It's not claiming the daily rewards. Just like this, you must come here every day, click on your daily rewards, 15k coins, 25k coins, each and every day. Hamster Kombat is giving you daily coins for free. Another mistake you are doing is not boosting your Hamster Kombat. Once your Hamster Kombat is loaded, okay, you must tap on it and play the game. You can normally come here anytime you are free. Come play, because this is making you coins and tons of money. Another mistake you are doing is not filling in these coins, boosting. Tap boost and load the coins. Yes, so guys, that's it for today. Probably those are some of the mistakes you are doing. If you are not doing this, you are doing hamster wrong. You are playing it wrong. Thank you.